Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here back again with another trick. So in today's trick, what we will see if we have copied something in our clipboard, how we can get all those things, copied things in our program. So we will perform this thing with the help of pandas. It is very simple in pandas. We have already one predefined function that is called read clipboard. So with the help of that function, we can read whatever we have copied. Okay. So suppose I have this table here, and I want to get this table as it is in my program. So how will I do it? I'll do it like I'll copy it. I'll copy it. After copy, what I'll do, I'll come here. I'll import pandas as PD. And inside pandas, we have one function called clipboard. Read clipboard is a function that we have. And when I'll execute this function, you'll see I'm getting as it is. Whatever I have copied, I'm getting as it is as data frame. How easy it is. Okay. So let me show you one more example. So suppose I have copied something from internet, like I have copied something programming languages table from Google. Okay. And I am trying to read it now. The like pandas dot read clipboard. So when I execute this function, you can see this is what I have copied from the Google. How simple it is. And you can perform all the operations that may perform with your database, with your data frame, like it is our DF. And when I have executed this, and inside the DF, I want to get like head of one, only one item I want to see. This is a, I want to see like the level only. So df of, if I'll do like it level only. So I'm getting level for all the languages. You can suppose you have Excel file. You can copy the data from Excel file and you can just get it in your program with the help of this one line. How amazing the pandas is. Hope you like this trick. Thank you so much.